Thank you very much all the dignitaries and my dear researchers for patience listening. So we have our outstanding guest who has elaborated on the various things. So before beginning the vote of thanks, I would like to announce one thing that our journal, the way Institute of Business Management and Rural Development, which we are already having our journal, it has been now entered in DOI, as all the researchers are very much familiar about the digital object interface, and to get the DOI for publishing any right article or research article in renowned journal, you need to pay a registration fee, which would be around $150. But since we are being associated with some of the bodies, and I am very happy to announce that recently we had a discussion and we got a letter from AICT. So they are considering our journal for getting a royalty, and against that, whatever royalty we will be getting, we will be giving that royalty benefit to all the authors who are really serious and contribute their research paper, and that digital interface object, which is ultimate aim to reach international already researchers are concerned, will be given free of charge on behalf of IBMRD, which will help you to get citation, and at the same time we will be having a different type of softwares, you name it, for plagiarism software. As you know that now we are working towards for this Thomson and Reuters, we need to follow the norms prescribed by the Thomson and Reuters, and as per their policy, they are saying if it is a plagiarism is up to the level of 80%, that article should not be accepted. So we have tried our level best to update all the researchers with the help of our team, editorial board members, but at the same time from next journal onward, it will be very difficult for us to analyze all the research articles which need to reach up to the expectation of Thomson and Reuters is concerned. So I would like to appeal all the researchers, please submit your research articles. We will be including your research articles for which you will be getting DOI with free of cost. Thank you. At the verge of ending session, I will not take more than 3 minutes, because it's my prime responsibility being a chairperson to express my sincere gratitude and vote of thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais, especially today's chief guest, Mr. Lalit Saha, Director of Microsoft, our beloved management guru and Dean of Faculty of Management Science, Dr. E.B. Khedkar sir, our Secretary General, Dr. B. Sadananda, our Director Technical, Dr. P.M. Gaikwad sir, Dr. Abhijit Dute sir, Deputy Director of Medical College, who has given their valuable time for this today's international conference. Thank you very much, sir, for coming here. Thanks for it's privilege for me. At the same time, I would like to thanks to Padma Shri Dr. Vitthal Vikhe Patel Foundations. We call it our foster father, because with that inspirations, we are trying to do something different than other. And with the help of that inspiration, as you know that our Honorable Namdar Radhakrishna Patil Sahib, Honorable CEO Dr. Sujay Vikhe sir, all the trustee members, they are always with us. So I am sincerely giving my thanks to all the members of PDVP Foundations who has initiated this task, and they are not only supporting morally and mentally. You can understand to arrange such type of conference, it needs a huge amount to spend on this, and they are even financially supporting only for this good cause of academic developments. I sincerely thanks to entire management of PDVP Foundation for encouraging us to arrange such type of conferences. At the same time, at this occasion, I am delighted to thank the pillar of our host advisory members. Recently has been named all these 3 members, Dr. Sadananda sir, Dr. Gaikwad sir and Dr. Dute sir. They are really helping us and boosting our energy for different activities. I express my sincere gratitude to all advisory members. We have more than 30 advisory members, plus amongst them today eminent personalities are present before here. I would begin with Dr. Satish Sharma sir, who is the chairman of Maharaja Group of institutes, Udaipur, who has came all the way from Udaipur. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming here, sir. Our management guru and one of the great supporter and motivator, Dr. S.B. Kolte, sir, Director General of IMSCD. We are always taking all type of motivational discussions and support from Dr. Kolte, sir, and he is always saying yes for everything, irrespective of his busy schedule. And thank you very much, sir, for supporting and encouraging us. Thank you for coming here, sir. Dr. T.S. Evare, sir, is the director from PD Hinduja Trust of Management, Mumbai. He is visiting first time to our institutes. Last time we were requesting him, but because of some busy schedules, he could not make it possible. But thank you, sir, for coming here for this today's event. Mr. Sunil Modi ji is the president of RB Modi and Modi Company, and as he is having international liaising with so many countries, and I have been told that he speaks more than 7 to 8 languages. So tomorrow, the person coming from different countries, he himself has shown interest to interact with all the people, those who are coming from different countries in their languages. So we will be keeping separate session, and I hope that all the international participants will take benefit of this. And I am very happy that Mr. Modi ji has been introduced by Darshana Chauhan. He is a SDO with Gujarat University and working outstanding job, conducting such type of conferences there also, because that campus itself is having a IIT campus, and I can understand the type of work they must be doing something different than what we are doing. Even she is also with us, and thank you very much for Darshana coming over here. Dr. G.K. Shirdu, sir, as I know, he is always trying to show us how to smile, and he is always allowing us others also to be a happy person. So thank you very much for coming here, sir. Dr. D.D. Bharti is the director from Raigad Institute of Management. Dr. A.V. Kharpas, sir. Mr. Vidyanand Mankar, Registrar of Siddhant Institute of Management. Our editorial board member, Dr. Sagar Jambolkar, sir. Dr. Suryavanshi, sir. And apart from these, there are some of the directors. Those are coming all the way from various places. Even Dr. Bal Saraf is coming from Pune, Talegaon. He is the principal of one of the commerce college. Mr. Rakesh Patil, Sandeep Foundation. And I was requesting Dr. Abhay Kulkarni, sir, and he made it point irrespective of his busy schedule. I can understand. He is not only director, but he is handling one of the trusts. And I am very happy. Chairpersons of the institutes are making and spending their times. Dr. Satish Sharma, Dr. Kulkarni. One of the member I would like to say that Mrs. Kavita Sharma. She is coming from Nagpur. She is the president of one of the institute, Green Haven Group of Institute of Nagpur. And this is what we say, it's intellectual feast, because those who are in need to understand and learn something academic, they are coming there, spending their times. Thank you very much, sir. You are a very great and big person, but still you are associated. Thank you for coming here, sir. Even our various principals from Engineering College, Dr. Kudal, sir. Principal College of Pharmacy, Dr. P.Y. Pawar, sir. Professor Shisagar, Principal of ITIA. Professor Kulkarni, Principal of Nursing. Professor Ganvir for Principal Physiotherapy. Professor Tarkase, Principal of ITIA. Dr. Chauhan, Principal of College of Agriculture. Professor Punda. And my special thanks to Mr. Gaike, Professor Sindeep from Civil Department, Professor Tarkase from Electrical Department. Without their support, this program would have been impossible to reach up to the level of a great success. Thank you all the team members of Foundation. And at last but not least, I am very much thankful to all the participants. Without them also, this program would have been impossible to at least have a 3 days a great discussion on ITC. I express my sincere mark of gratitude to Lokmat, Maharashtra Times, Sakal, Divya Marathi, and other local newspapers also, who has tried to cover a maximum as per the requirement of rural awareness is concerned. And today also they have taken interviews of our chief guest and Dr. Satish Sharma, and definitely it will be published on tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's newspaper. So hope that this will reach to the ultimate people who are staying in rural areas, because our ultimate aim is to reach up to the level of bottom of pyramid. Last but not least, my thanks to all team members of IBM RDM, teaching and non-teaching staff members, and those who has helped me to directly and indirectly for the success of this conference. Thanks one and all. Wish you all the best for tomorrow's and day after's program. Thank you.